Good morning, students. Let us continue with geography, lesson number 7, Lifelines of National Economy. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about airways and communication. Okay, let us start. Airways. It is the fastest, most comfortable and prestigious mode of transport. Students, you all are aware that airways is the fastest mode of transport, right? It is faster compared to that of railways, roadways and waterways. It is the most comfortable, okay, and prestigious mode of transport. It can cover very difficult areas like high mountains, dreary deserts, dense forests and long oceanic stretches with great ease. So airways can cover very difficult areas, okay, like high mountains, dreary deserts, dense forests as well as long oceanic stretches quite easily, okay. Air transport was nationalized in the year 1953. Now students, what do you mean by nationalized? Nationalization is when a government takes control or ownership of private company. Air India, which is now owned by the government, was founded by J.R.D. Tata. And that time it was known as Tata Airlines. Okay, now it is Air India, which is owned by Indian government. Is that clear, students? Air India provides domestic and international air services. Air India provides domestic air transport within the country. Okay, that is within India. And international air services with other countries. Okay, so Air India provides domestic as well as international air services. Air travel is not within the reach of the common people. Why is it so, students? Yes, because it is very costly, right? It is only in the northeastern states that special provisions are made to extend the services to the common people. Students, only in the northeastern states of our country, special provisions are made to extend the air transport services to the common people. Okay. Now let us discuss about Pawan Hans. Pawan Hans Helicopters Limited provides helicopter services to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation in its offshore operations. Now students, what do you mean by offshore operations? Okay, operations undertaken at or under the sea in association with an oil, natural gas that is under the seabed. Understood? So Pawan Hans Helicopters Limited provides helicopter services to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation in its offshore operations to inaccessible areas. Areas which cannot be reached easily. Okay, to inaccessible areas and difficult terrains like the northeastern states, okay, and the interior parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Once again, Pawan Hans Helicopters Limited provides helicopter services to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation in its offshore operations to inaccessible areas and difficult terrains like the northeastern states and the interior parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Students, now let us talk about communication. Now, what is communication? Yes, it is an act of exchanging information. Okay. Personal communication and mass communication, including television, radio, press, films, etc., are the major means of communication in the country. Students, you all must be aware about the means of communication, right? Means of communications are letters, newspapers, television, radio, phones, films, etc. Okay. Students, do you know what is personal communication? Let us try to understand. Personal communication, it is a process of transferring or transmitting message between two people. Okay, once again, personal communication is a process of transferring or transmitting message between two people. Message is transferred between two people. Now let us see the examples of personal communication. Phones. With the help of phones, personal communication can take place. Also with the help of postal letters. Now students, rarely people write letters. Why? Because nowadays if you want to send messages, we have so many other means, right? We can mail, we can send SMS, right? Instantly the messages are sent. But those days when phones were not popular, people used to write letters. They used to purchase letters from the post office. They used to write. They used to post it in the post box and wait for the postman for the reply. Okay. But nowadays we have so many other means wherein the messages can be sent. Okay. And that too very quickly. Now let us talk about Indian Postal Network. The Indian Postal Network is the largest in the world. It handles parcels as well as personal written communications. Once again students, the Indian Postal Network is the largest in the world. It handles parcels as well as personal written communications. Now here we can see the classification of mails. There are two classes of mails. One is the first class and the other one is second class. Now let us learn more about this. First we will start with first class mail. Okay. Postcards and envelopes are considered as first class mail. Okay. These mails are airlifted between stations covering both land as well as air. Once again students, postcards and envelopes are considered as first class mail. This may be asked for your objective question. And these mails, that is the first class mails, are airlifted, okay, between stations covering both land and air. Now let us discuss about second class mail. Second class mail includes book packets, registered newspapers and periodicals. Now students, what are periodicals? Let us try to understand. Periodicals are the publications that appear in a new edition on a regular schedule, typically weekly, monthly and quarterly. These are carried by surface mail, okay, covering land and water transport. So students, what do you mean by surface mail? Let us try to understand. Letters, packages, etc. that go by road, rail or sea, but not by air transport. Understood? So second class mail are carried by surface mail, covering land and water transport. Okay. To facilitate quick delivery of mails in large towns and cities, 6 mail channels have been introduced recently. Now, why are the 6 mail channels being introduced recently? Yes, to facilitate quick delivery of mails in large towns and cities. Now, let us try to understand these 6 channels. We have Rajdhani channel, we have Metro channel, Green channel, Business channel, Bulk channel and Periodical channel. Now let us learn about telecom networks. India has one of the largest telecom networks in Asia. To improve telephonic communications from the grassroots to the higher level. Now what do you mean by grassroots to the higher level? Here, grassroots means common people, and to the higher level refers the higher authorities. Okay, so to improve telephonic communications from the grassroots to the higher level, the government has made special provision to extend 24 hours subscriber trunk dialing, that is STD facility, to every village in the country. Okay. Now students, what do you mean by subscriber trunk dialing? Subscriber trunk dialing is a telephone system allowing subscribers to dial trunk calls without operator's assistance. Now, what is trunk call? Trunk call is a long distance phone call. Okay. So students, once again we will revise this. To improve telephonic communications from the grassroots to the higher level, the government has made special provision to extend 24 hours subscriber trunk dialing, that is STD, facility to every village in the country. Excluding urban places, more than 2/3 of the villages in India have already been covered with STD telephone facility. Once again, excluding urban places, more than 2/3 of the villages in India. So more than two-thirds of the villages in India have already been covered with subscriber trunk dialing telephone facility. There is a uniform rate of STD facilities all over India. Okay, the rate is uniform, same everywhere. It has been made possible by integrating the development in space technology with communication technology. So students, this has been made possible by integrating the development in space technology with communication technology. I hope it is clear, students. Now it's time for quiz. I hope you all are ready for the quiz. Let us start. The first class mail includes which one of the following? Option A, book packets. Option B, registered newspapers. Option C, envelopes and cards. Option D, periodicals and journals. Yes, students, which is the correct answer? Once again, I will read out the question for you. The first class mail includes which one of the following? And the correct answer is option C, envelopes and cards. Okay, very good. Next question. Which of the following is not a means of communication? Option A, radio. Option B, press. Option C, roads. Option D, films. Yes, which is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is option C, roads. Because it is means of transportation, not means of communication. Okay. Next question. STD refers to option A, suburban telephone dialing. Option B, subscriber trunk dialing. Option C, social telephone distributor. Option D, speed telephone dialing. Yes, which is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is option B, subscriber trunk dialing. Okay, very good. So students, till now in this chapter we had dealt with roadways, railways, pipelines, waterways, airways, and we have started with means of communication, right? We started with personal communication. The remaining topics we will cover in our next video. Okay, don't forget to read your textbook. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.